Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We were pulling our cabin filter out and we noticed a lot of acorns and a mouse nest. So we were gonna remove the blower motor to access that. So before we put the cabin filter back in, we'll leave it out. We'll close this up and we will take out the blower motor. Now underneath the glove box, we're gonna pull this panel down. Just grab it with your fingers and pull straight down. And then you're gonna slide it out. There's these two things that slide in, these two little tabs, and these are the clips that pull right down. So we'll pull that out of our way. Okay, this is the blower motor right here. We're gonna disconnect the electrical connector. I'm gonna push this little tab right here and the connector will come out. And then next there's these bolts that hold it in. I'm gonna use an 8mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. We'll take these out. Hard to see, there's one back here. I'm gonna hold the blower motor up while I'm taking this last bolt out. And move this wiring harness out of your way a little bit. I actually have to unclip this wiring harness back here, like that. You can pull the blower motor straight down. As you can see, there's some acorns in here. This will cause a vibration when the fan speed is on high. So we'll clean those out, and then the mouse nest up top, we'll clean that out. I'm gonna use a vacuum and suck out as much of the nest as I can. Right, so I cleaned all the acorns out of this blower motor. Now we're gonna reinstall. To make it easier, I'm gonna pop this retainer off the wiring harness. Hold that out of the way. I'm gonna slip this blower motor back in. Line it up. We'll install the screws that hold it in. To get that last one in, I can start to tighten them down with the ratchet. Remember, it's plastic, so don't over tighten them. Just snug. And that's snug. Now we can install the wiring harness on those retainers. And this one as well. We can install this connector. Just slip it up till it clicks. We're going to slide these two pins in the back. Line those up with where those go. And then these retainers up here will line up and push in. As you can see, this is our old cabin filter. If you open the pleats, you can see how dirty it is. There's a lot of debris in there. This is our new cabin filter from 1aauto.com. It's designed the same. All the pleats are the same. Right here, there's an arrow of which direction the flow is. So you want the airflow to go down and suck in from the blower motor. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. So we're going to take the cabin filter. Remember the arrow, it's going to go down. So the tray is like this. You want the arrow going down into the tray. And this back part you want to line up in there and push it down, just like that. And we can slide it in to the slot and clip it in. And we can take our glove box. You're going to fold these corners in a little bit. Push it back.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.